From the FileCloud admin portal under Miscellaneous Alerts, you're going to be able to view all the alerts generated by the FileCloud system. Some of the alerts can be just warnings, others might be critical issues, others might be simply informational as per some of the actions that have been done in the background automatically by the FileCloud itself. On this note, from the Manage Alerts section, you're going to be able to clear all the alerts, remove specific alerts by selecting the alert and then clicking on Remove, or viewing more information about the alert itself by clicking on the eye icon next to the alert. The alerts within your system are a great way so that our support team or yourself can look at an issue that's been generated by the FileCloud, like this general issue. This information is helpful towards debugging or validating what issue is your system presenting. As the administrator, you're also going to be able, from the Manage Alerts, to filter them to view only critical, warnings, informational, or fatal in case of any. This is the main functionality of the Alerts tab from the FileCloud admin portal.